Hello, and today I'm going to be seeing if I can cut a hole through this tea bag with a laser. I'm going to try the tea bag marker first. Looks like we can cut that. Is it going through? Yeah, we burned a hole right through the tea dangly bit. Now I'm going to see if I can go through the actual tea bag. I'm going to dangle it on a string and try and burn a hole through it. Oh, it's like it's getting pushed by the laser. Oh no, it must be the fan on the laser. The fan is pushing it around too much. I'm going to try and hold it still. I can smell it burning a hole. We'll see if it goes all the way through. It's taken a while. I don't know if it will go all the way through or not. I see smoke coming out the other side. Come on, yes, look at that. We've got signs that it poked all the way through. Whoa, look at that. It's on fire. It smoked the tea bag. Nice. Laser wins.